Student, in this video, we are going to learn how to solve the simultaneous equation. I have taken one example. We can look here in this equation 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 equal to 85. This is the first equation they have given. Second equation is 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 equal to 89. How to solve these two equations? For solving the equation, first you have to see carefully what are the coefficients of x and y. But here actually x and y are to the denominator. In such case, you have to use the substitution method. For the substitution method, let us assume here putting x m is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 and n is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. Why we are substituting this? Because this reduces that simultaneous equation in our general form equation. If you put m is 1 upon x minus 2 in first equation, I am giving this number to this equation as 1 and 2, then putting this one, at that time what we get? We get here 27 upon x minus 2 is nothing but m, so we have first equation 27m, second equation 37n. Why? Because y plus 1 upon y plus 3 is n, so we have here only 31 n and equal to 85. Say to this as equation 3. In the same manner, we have to substitute the same thing in second equation. So you get here 31 upon x minus 2, you can write down 31m, and similarly 27n, because 1 upon y plus 3 is nothing but n, so in this way here 27n and equal to 89. See, this is as equation 4. Now we are going to add these two equations, adding equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 and 4. We get here 27m plus 31n equal to 85. Similarly, I have written fourth equation. We are going to add these two. Adding what you get? 9 and 5 addition 14, 1 carried, 69, 1, 7 here. Here 58n, similarly 58m. Now here you can observe these three numbers, means this can be divided by 53. So divide by 53. By 53. Oh, 58. Sorry. We are dividing by 58. So here m plus n is equal to, now when you divide 174 divided by 58, here you have here 3. And say to this as equation number 5. In the same manner, we are going to subtraction of 3 and 4 equation. Means subtract 4 from equation 3. What happened? What is 3? 3 I am going to write 27m plus 31n equal to 85. And then secondly, fourth equation 31m plus 27n 89. We are going to subtract. At that time you are going to change the signs. This you have to remember in your mind. Subtraction, here minus 4, here minus plus 31 minus 27. That is 31 is having plus sign and 27 you are subtracting, so you get 4n. In the same manner 27 minus 31, here you have minus 4m, here is plus 4m. In this way divide by 4. Why we are dividing by 4? That is, that equation get into more simplified form. So we get minus m plus n equal to minus 1. Give the number to this as equation. Here 4, 5 and last is 6. Now see here, equation number 5 is m plus n equal to 3 and equation number 6 is minus m plus n equal to 6. Add equation 5 and 6. Adding equation 5 and 6. What is 5? M plus n is equal to 3 minus m plus n equal to minus 1. We are adding these two. So mm get cancelled, 2n equal to 2. Therefore n is equal to 1. Put n equal to 1 in equation 5. What is 5? 5 is m plus n equal to m plus n is equal to 3. M plus n is equal to 3. Putting 1, we get m plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore m is equal to 2. Now at the last moment we are coming. We have to find out what is x. Resubstituting value. I am writing here. Substitute values of m and n. What is m? M is equal to 2. Therefore, that is nothing but 1 upon, what was m? 1 upon x minus 2. 1 upon x minus 2 equal to 2. Now, that is, you get 1 is equal to 2x minus 4. And then, you get 1 plus 4 is equal to 2x. Therefore, 5 upon 2 is the value of x. Lastly, we are going to find out what is n. You know that n is what? N is equal to 1 upon 1 and therefore 1 upon y. What is 1 upon y plus 3? N is that equal to 1. Therefore, you get y plus 3 equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. In this way, solution is 5 by 2 and minus 2. In this way, we have solved complete this simultaneous linear equation system by the method of substitution. Substitution of n is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 and n is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. Student, when you observe the such type of equation, you have to always use this method. Then you get the solution.